Hello friends, so after we bring the planters to its exact place, to verandas like this, so what we need in order to make them stick and keep them like to not move anymore, so we use this kind of nut and bolts for that planters. So before putting these nut and bolts in the concrete, we have to put these planters on the spot, and after putting it on the spot in the exact place according to the architect landscaping plan where each planter should come. So after we put it on this area, we level it, and after we level this, so what we do is just we mark these holes that we have in each planters. If you see, we mark this on the concrete. So after marking these in the concrete, we remove it back and make the holes in the concrete. So we use these nut and bolts. After we use the glue also for this to be stuck in the concrete and rigidly fixed, and after that we put it like as you see here. We put one of them here in this area. So we use these meshes also, as you see here. We use these meshes for underneath of each feet, so we can just make it level, and after that we tight it and it's ready for the buckets of the floor. Put it inside, and I will show you the next part in the next video. Thanks. So like this, in veranda like this, you can just put it and adjust all the feet together, and after that, adjusting the feet, you just screw the feet like as we did here. So friend, for adjusting and putting the planter on its exact position, we must use these clamps as well. You know, these clamps that you can find it in Bunnings. So we can just adjust them from both sides. So this feet that you can see here on this side of the planter, it is permanent feet, and this one that you see, this one is adjustable. This one is adjustable, so you can adjust it up and down. So we can just adjust it now, and we level it also. You can see we level it and shows the right place. So after adjusting, we just screw it like you see here. So after these planters are ready for the irrigation work. So we will start the irrigation later. We need to have some hole for the pipes, and also after the irrigation holes, we will start putting the soil inside these boxes. And after putting soil, we will just start planting. And after that, we use the mulch, and the planters are now ready, and the irrigation system will work properly, and we can use the timer, or even you can use the Sononite for these planters to give them water on time.
Okay, let's open. What are we going to apply for? One key squat. Yeah, now that's really that's crazy. What am I doing?
This one is called clamp. This one, you see friends, after we tied the nut and bolts and everything, and now you can see it's already level from here to the end, and we have put the buckets also inside. So this was the way how to place the planters.